ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Meghalaya Conrad Kongkol Sangma bat Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Assam Himanta Biswa Sharma kilarai ban pun kutno ia ke judicial inquiry ban Tohkit halor ke Jingjia ha ke Snong Mukroh ha ka arpu ar tarik unai weng arajar arpu ar ha ka basan ngut kinong shong snong jong ke Snong Mukroh kila syasiat yap ha ki pulit Assam bat kontup ru ya wei pulit pahara klau jong ke sarkar Assam. Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Assam Himanta Biswa Sharma ha ke Jingjia keren bat gilat patai kubor hadien balawai ke Jingjia lang ka balalong ha ka laipau tarik unai lor arajar arpulai ha khana para Guwahati. Ulai itu balarai ban kerpat ia ke sarkar pedeng bahkan bensyet ia ke Jing Tohkit halor ke Jingjia ha ke Snong Mukroh ha ke Central Bureau of Investigation. Ula ongru bala shim ya ke nikarai hadien bagi paitba na Meghalaya kim shim la lejmi satia ban ai sakhi hakmat ke judicial inquiry bala thung de ke sarkar Assam. Bat ki paitba na Assam kim shim la lejmi satia ban ai sakhi hakmat ke judicial inquiry bala thung de ke sarkar Meghalaya halor ke Jingjia.
To further resolve the Assam-Meghalaya border dispute. Discussion is very cordial and we have been able to take certain very important decisions today. Number one, as a confidence building measure and not to put the respective officers of both the state in difficulty, we have decided to wind up the judicial commission ordered by Assam and Meghalaya to inquire the Mukroh firing. Instead, both the government will now request CBI to investigate the matter instead of judicial commission, and will request CBI not to register the case either in Shillong or in Guwahati, but in a neutral venue, so that central government agency can inquire the incident of violence and we both wind up the judicial commission, because none of the commission has able to make any progress because the judicial inquiry ordered by Assam Meghalaya is not, Meghalaya witnesses are not coming, and in the judicial inquiry ordered by Meghalaya government, Assam witnesses are not going. So in order to have a fair and impartial inquiry, we decided that instead of pursuing judicial inquiry at the end of state government, let us refer to an independent agency, namely CBI, and we'll request CBI not to register the case in Guwahati or Shillong, but to register the case in an independent location, either in Delhi, Calcutta, or wherever they like. Number two, in Khanduli PCR, recently Assam police has set up a police outpost, and in front of that police outpost, Meghalaya police has put up another outpost, making it almost eyeball to eyeball confrontation. So what we have decided today, Assam police will put CRPF in that outpost, and Meghalaya will also take their police post to a little behind, so that it goes to a neutral police post, and neither Assam police, neither Meghalaya police is seen in actual area of conflict. We can come little later, 200-300 meter behind, we can put our police, but at the point of confrontation, let there be CRPF, not of the police of both the states. Number three, we have decided to quickly resolve three areas of dispute, and although Honorable Chief Minister Meghalaya is not mentioning that three area, but we have requested Chief Minister of Meghalaya that Assam is ready to quickly resolve the border dispute in Lampi, in Bordua and Desdumoria, because that is a non-6 schedule area for us. We have more flexibility and we can quickly go and resolve. But of course the final modality has to be found out by the regional committee, and we have asked the regional committees to make a presentation before Honorable CM Meghalaya within the shortest possible time, and resolve these 3 disputes as quick as possible. Of course, final decision will be taken at the Chief Minister's level. Regarding the 6th area where we have already resolved the issue, we are happy to inform you that finally Survey of India has completed their survey in Hahim. Now border pillar will be erected and both the state government has accepted the position. Today Survey of India officials were there. We have requested other 5 areas like Dijang, Tarabari, Ratachera. We asked them to quickly complete the survey before 31st December. In Tarabari area, there are some problem with one village, that's Molong Salbil, that Salbari. We have asked Assam side to be little flexible while demarcating the border so that local people do not get unnecessary tense and we can resolve peacefully. So whatever little bit of flexibility we have to show in Tarabari, we will show, Assam will show. But let us quickly finish the border pillar activity in 6 agreed area. Ahim already we did, and we want to quickly do in Tarabari, in Dijang, in Khanapara, Pilinkata, and Ratachera. So today overall it was a very good discussion. We could take many decisions, and we hope to visit Khanduli PCR area in the last week of October, and then carry forward the discussion in next 2 months, so that at least in 3 disputed area out of 6 we can show some positive result. Other 3 we have when we'll visit, then we'll talk to local people and we'll try to make an environment so that the ultimate race 3 also we will be able to resolve.